Look what I picked up. Got the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes Moonlight Seduction Palette. I wanted so badly the first one they had, and I just never picked it up. So when this launched, I was able to get it, and I am so excited to do a look with it. I'm wearing a blue jumpsuit today, so I'm thinking I kind of want to play around with the blue a little bit, but keep it subtle. But first I'm going to go in with my Makeup by Mario priming palette. It's the Master Eye Preps and Set. So I'm going to take, I think I'm going to just take the more skin-like shade, put it on my eyelids. I thought about going in with the lighter one, but I want to see how the eyeshadows work on something without too much of a bright base. And I'll take this here just to set all over the eyes. Alright, I think I'm going to start with this shade right here. I think it's EM5, and I'm going to put that in the crease just to lay it down a little bit. Oh, that's actually really gray. Okay, I was hoping for something a little bit warmer, but that's okay. I'll start with that. I might try to warm it up a little bit. Maybe I'll go in with this shade here. I mean, this is a cool tone palette, so I'm not surprised. I was just expecting it to be a little bit warmer. I've never used Makeup by Mario eyeshadows before. Actually, maybe I'll film primarily on this eye and then go to this eye. I was going to do this eye first, but I think you can see what I'm doing better on this eye. Yeah, definitely cool toned, which is fine. That's what I picked up. Let's see, I think I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and start building up the crease in this shade here. I think it's, no, this one might be EM5. They're all EM, something like EM1 through 9, so we're just going to go in with the gray, tap that. Oh, that's very blue based on the inner corner. Okay, I might have to play with these shadows a little bit. Wow. Probably should have gone in with a lighter hand and a more precise brush, but I can fix it. Okay, user error, not makeup error. But definitely going with a light hand. This is like way too, did not think this one through very well. Alright, I'm going to take a clean brush and try to blend out a little bit. It's okay. Yeah, I mean, so far so good, I guess. You know what, maybe I'll try to warm it up just a little bit. Go in with the deeper brown shade just to try to diffuse the starkness of that. Maybe that'll work, I'm not sure. Let's see. That didn't do too much. Like I said, user error. I was not prepared for the amount of pigment. That is okay though. Alright, I do want to go into the blue. Smaller blending brush, blue shade, and just tapping that on the outer corner there. I probably should have gone in with an even smaller brush, but okay, that's okay. Tap it there. I was going to go in with the black too, but I don't think I want to. I think this is probably deep enough because I can always mix the gray in and try to soften the blue. Alright, I'm going to go back and blend. Let's see. Just try to blend. It's pretty. I'm liking it. I'm liking the tones, or I'm liking the way that's all working together. Alright, shimmer shades. I was originally thinking I was going to go in with this shade, but I think I might try this shade first on my finger just to see what that's doing. It's pretty. Really, it is pretty. Let's see. Kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Moon Shadow, just a high-end version of it. Let's see. Yeah, this is very, very cool toned. I don't think I was prepared for just how cool toned it was going to be. Let's see. I'm going to try going over that with this shade right here. Just to marry the gray with the gold a little bit. Let's see. There we go. Let's marry that a little bit more. Actually, just added more sparkle. I'm sure if I could put, you could probably put any base down with these and it would be absolutely stunning. Alright, for the sake of wanting to use the white shimmer, See, I'm going to take a brush this time and use the white all over. Alright, that's bringing the look together a little more. I just started with that. That was my original plan, and I chose not to. So, again, I think that this is user error. I was just not prepared for just how cool tone it was, but that is okay. I've loved all the looks I've seen others do with this. It definitely has that blue shift. Okay, so I think I'm going to go back in. I think I'm going to go back in with this one on the brush and just try to make everything work together. And I'm going to go back in and blend a little bit more. I think I'm going to take this one here and just try to make everything work. And I want to bring that blue back just a little bit more. Just tapping it, bring it in. I definitely feel like I have to really tap and blend to get the effect I want, but it's very beautiful. Again, I've never used makeup by Mario Shadows before, so I am not really familiar with the way they work, but I'm liking it. I think it's slowly but surely coming together. Actually, I think I might take some of that blue and just kind of smudge that just a little bit on the lower lash or on the upper lash line, just to, I feel like I need to add a little bit more going towards the corner. Let's see, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. My angle's kind of off here. And actually I'm going to take some of that blue on my lower lash line, just ever so lightly. And I think I'm going to take a mixture of these two together just to help smoke that out, not make it too stark. Alright, inner corner, I'm going to take the white, pop that in and kind of drag it under. And I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will be right back. I am back with everything done. I actually, it's a few hours later. I had to go do a couple things, but I am loving the amount of smokiness in my eyes from this palette. I mean, this is a very beautiful palette. Definitely cool tone. If you don't like overly cool tones, you might not like this. But my first impressions, I absolutely loved it. I want to keep playing around, especially with the shimmers and more of the neutral tones. But I love it. You need to use a very, very light hand. Like, just tap your brush in. You do not need a heavy hand with this palette. But the colors are stunning. Again, very cool tone, but I really think like the blue tones, like the bluish gray tones, really make my eyes pop. So it's great for brown eyes. Again, I can't wait to keep playing with this. Let me know if you want to see more looks with this. I have a couple more ideas in mind, but upon first impression, I'm obsessed with this palette. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.